5 years ago, I decided that I wanted to drive my car across the country, visiting every state. Since then, I've driven more than 16,000 miles on America's greatest roads through the country's best scenery. And along the way, I've made friends who've inspired me to keep going and explore even further. Now, I'm preparing for my biggest adventure yet, driving to Alaska.
Oh my god. She looks like a real rally car.
Four-wheeling woman.
She looks so cool.
I've spent months planning the route and making sure the car is ready for the long journey.
We are conducting a shakedown of Scion Everest while also generally screwing around on some dirt roads.
Hey, we got two adventure bikes behind us.
These are the diciest roads I've ever driven this car on, and there's been a lot of screaming. Hold on, I don't like the decisions I've made.
Every trip has been an adventure, and with a route planned all the way to the Arctic Ocean, this one promises to be even bigger.